Welcome back to another 3D comparison video. So we have the following golden helmet. This has been 3D scanned, and as you can see, it will have so many details over here to the sides. Now, if you don't know, this helmet has been stolen. So let's take a look over here if we can use generative AI in order to recreate this 3D model. So I use the following images. So this will be the front view, this will be the back view, and I also have extracted over here two side views. Now we have the model over here loaded on Sketchfab, as you can see. If I'm going to go within Model Inspector, within the Matcap, we're going to see that the geometry of this object will actually look like this. So quite a few details over here, but we're going to have that main material, that albedo channel, that will add all of those details. So we see over here on the Matcap, the model is quite low poly. If I will enable over here Matcap plus surface, we're going to see that it will look like this. But we see over here that mostly that information will be present within the texture. Now I already went and have this processed, so I'm going to jump over here. And as you can see over here, I have the same model. So these are the references. This is the front view, the back view, and the two side views. And I use over here Hitam 3D in order to generate this. As you can see, we have a lot of hallucination going around, especially over here on the side where we should have those detail elements. It will look like this. Over here for the top section, the original model had the following geometry. So we see all those intricate golden, let's say, ornaments. And this is what generative AI has prepared over here. So not that impressive, considering the fact that maybe over here for the front, this is quite similar. So we have those ornaments over here, pretty much similar. So let me just use the final render. But over here we see that it should have the following details. And the generative AI model has just those weird feelings over here. So it tried to recreate some ornaments, but they are not the same. And this is one of the main problems with generative AI, is the fact that it will hallucinate a lot. If I'm just going to use this model somewhere in a VR environment, and I will just position this at, let's say, the following distance, maybe from this perspective, it will resemble that object. But we see over here that it's actually missing the whole purpose of this. So all of those small elements on the side will be missing. So this is why generative AI will still struggle in order to become a good competitor over here. Now, I will try to use the same references within another software, and I hope that those will hallucinate a little bit less. We see over here the interior of the helmet will look as following. So the generative AI tool considered that if those ornaments will be added over there, they should have a cutout on the interior. So I'm not sure exactly why Hitam 3D decided to do that, because this is how the original model will look. If I will disable that texture, we're going to see on the interior it should look like this. While over here we have the following cutouts that are not actually connected to those external elements. It's a little bit harder over here to see, but if I will go within a section view, you're going to see that those will not actually be that well aligned over here for the interior. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this content. I'm going to position a similar video on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.